Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Vaitana. As we have seen, thinking about the poem. Now, again thinking about the poem, page number 31. The poem you have just read is originally in Tamil. Do you know any such poem in your language? Yes, there are many similar poems in my language that we have to do it ourselves. Now see, extract based questions. Read the following poem carefully and answer the questions here. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the paper. What does poet ask the wind? The poet asks the wind to blow gently and mildly, softly. B. What did the wind tear? The wind tore the pages of the book. Did. She questioned with did, and that means simple past tense, and that is why tear second form tore is used. When the question asked in simple past tense, then we have to write in answer, affirmative answer, then second form tear, second form tore. What is the phrase in the extract meaning to blow gently and mildly? The phrase is come softly. Number 4. Which poetic device has been used in these lines? Personification has been used in this line. Personification, as you know, non-living thing described as living. Number 2. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There are books. What you did, you threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. First question. Why is the poet disappointed? The poet is disappointed because the wind does not listen to him. What it thinks he does. The wind does not listen to the poet, that is why poet is disappointed. Number 2, what are the acts of the wind? The wind is very destructive. It threw down the books and tore their pages. It also brought rain. See, what does you here stand for? You here stand for the wind, telling to the wind, addressing to the wind. How does the poet speak to the wind in anger or with humor? The poet speaks to the wind with anger. How does the poet speak to the wind in anger or with humor? The poet speaks with the anger. That is why when it does not listen what the poet want to say, so poet angrily said this. Number 3, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. How does the wind god come? The wind god comes and crushes the weak houses, doors, rafter, wood bodies, hearts and lives. These the wind god come. B. Why does the poet want to join the doors firmly? The poet wants to join the door firmly to protect the houses, building from damages by the wind god. Wind god, as you know, crushes the weak houses, doors, rafter, and that is why the poet wants to join the door firmly to protect houses, buildings from the wind. Now see on the right side. C, question number C. What does the phrase in winnows and crushes mean? Them all means. It means separate weak people, weak things, houses, doors, hearts, and destroys the others. It shows destroy them all. D. Why does the poet propose to build strong homes? To escape the harmful effect of the wind, the poet proposes to build strong homes. It shows. Now see number 4. He won't do what you tell him, so come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to farm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be friend with us. Now see question number 1. Who want to do what is told to him? The wind want to do what is told to it. Wind has to perform. B. What does the poet ask the readers to do so that the wind become their friend? The poet asks the reader to build strong homes with tough doors and make our bodies and hearts strong. Then the wind will become their friends. 2 point have to keep to build strong homes with tough doors and make the body and heart strong. Then wind become our friend. See, what does the poet advise us to do? The poet advises us to build strong home, join the doors firmly, have a firm body and strong heart. See, find the word in the above extract which means the same as carry out to or perform regularly. That particular word's meaning is practice, because practice only makes man perfect. Number 5. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to farm the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this and the wind will be the friend with us. The wind blows out weak fires. See the first question. What does the poet want us to do? The poet wants us to build strong homes, to keep the good relation with other people. B. What does the poet mean from the weak fires? From the weak fire, the poet means poor and weak relation with other people. That is why weak, poor and weak relationship with the other persons. Trace a word from the extract which means strong. The word is steadfast. Steadfast means strong. D. How will the wind be our friends? If we practice to farm our body and make our heart steadfast, we can make the wind our friend forever. And that is why it is believing like this or said like this that it has higher effect on it. See number 6. The wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires, rod and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. What does the wind do to fires? The wind blows our weak fires while making strong fires grow. It has the higher relationship. What is the advice to the poet? The advice of the poet is to make ourselves physically and mentally strong. What is the advice of the poet? Poet advises us to make ourselves physically and mentally strong. See, find out the word from the extract which means same as grow and develop in healthy way. The word is flourish. And DC, what is poetic device is employed in the stanza. Personification is employed in the stanza because non-living thing is compared with living. Now see short answer. First, whom all are disturbed by the blowing of the wind and who are not? All people who are physically weak and mentally not determined are disturbed by the blowing of the wind. Self confident and strong people do not get disturbed by the wind blowing. Physically weak who has not relationship with others, and mentally not determined, not taking the decision, not strong and not self-confidence. But the person who has self-confidence and strong people do not disturb by the wind blowing. Number 2. Why does the poet ask the wind to come softly in the beginning of the poem? The poet asks the wind to come softly in the beginning of the poem so that order and peace may be maintained. Otherwise not, as you know. When the wind blows, it disturbs everything and everyone in society. So the poet pleads, means request for the welfare of the society to blow slowly. How does the wind cause rain? The wind blows violently so that it appears as if storm is coming. It brings clouds from distant place. As a result, it causes or it brings rain. Why should we build strong houses? We should build strong houses so that they do not get damaged by the blowing wind. In other words, we should build strong mind and bodies to withstand any kind of violent challenge thrown in our path. If we keep the good relationship, then we should not be disturbed and we should face that type of difficulty in our life. Now see on the right side. Question number 5. How does the wind make fun of weaklings? The poet tells the wind that it makes mischief whenever it comes face to face with weaklings who are too meek and mild to protest against its actions by destroying their lives. What further says, how does the wind make fun of weaklings? The poet tells the wind that it makes mischief whenever it comes face to face with weaklings who are too meek, too fearful and mild. They are difficult to face against the action and they are destroying their lives. Number 6. What does crumbling suggest in the poem Wind? Crumbling suggests destruction in this poem. People who are weak will be crumbled by being overwhelmed by the difficulties that they face during their lives. What does crumbling suggest? Crumbling suggests destruction in this poem. People who are weak will be crumbled by being overwhelmed by the difficulties that they face during their lives. Number 6. What does crumbling suggest the poem mean? Number 7. What does the wind symbolize? What does the wind symbolize? The wind symbolizes the trials and tribulations everybody faces in their lives. Those who are strong in character succeed in overcoming them, while those who are weak are destroyed, are facing this type of difficulties in life. Number 8. Give the central idea of the poem Wind. The central idea of the poem is that we should be strong in mind and body. We should be strong in mind and body. The wind will be our friend when we are strong. Actually, the wind represents the difficulties and challenges we face in life. We should encounter them boldly. We should face it with smiling face, and we should show our bravery, and we should learn it in a proper way. Now see on new page number 300. How is wind a symbolized poem? Compare it with the road not taken. The poem can be read just for the pleasure of their rhyme or for their literal meaning. However, poem can have a deeper meaning than the obvious one they show. Under an able teacher, a student find more pleasure in tracking down symbols and figurative meanings. It shows that if you go deep and understand, then it is a symbolic poem, and higher philosophy is there in this poem. Each simple word, what appears to be a simple poem of traveling on a forest road, developing in a poem discussing the choices of life. Similarly, the wind can be compared to the difficulties we face in life. Strong people face difficulties bravely, while weak people are broken or destroyed. What we have to learn, the strong people can face the difficulty, but weak or who has no confidence, without self confidence, facing the difficulty, they are broken or destroyed. What destructive events are caused by the wind? How can we prevent these destructive events from happening? How we feel it? The wind causes many destructive events like breaking the shutters of window, scattering papers and throwing books down from the shelves. It gives crushes weak bodies, lives and hearts, breaks down weakly built houses and walls. Beside not listening to any entries, we can prevent these destructive events from happening by being firm, positive, strong, both physically as well as mentally. Beside making our houses stronger, we must take it sincerely. We should be strong and we should learn. By being strong, we will become friend with the wind. We will be easily able to handle successfully the trials and tribulations, means difficulties we face in life, which will aid our achieving success and in flourishing life if we face it with smiling face. Then now number 3, last, man cannot overpower the fury of nature like storms or floods. Discuss the destructive caused by a natural element wind in this context. How can we face the fury of nature? It is well known fact that the nature knows how to maintain its balance, even though the human race continues to believe it can overpower and destroy it. It is well known fact that the nature knows how to maintain its balance, even though human race continue to believe it in overpower and destroying it. It knows it. Through this poem, wind, the poet has given stances of how wind can be destructive. It can cause many destructive events like breaking the shutter of windows, scattering papers and throwing books down from the shelves. As you know, it shows that lot of destruction it can do. Even it crushes weak bodies and breaks weakly constructed houses. We can prevent this destructive event from happening by being firm, positive and friend of nature. We should be positive and try to be friend of nature. If we maintain ecological balance, we can be friend with nature and there can be a harmony, balance between human lives and natural element. We can keep the balance of it if we take care of environment. Then moreover, the poet suggests human being to be strong physically and mentally in order to be friend with nature. Wind means nature. If we want to become friend with nature, we should be physically and mentally, we should be strong. Mentally strong here also suggests trying to treat nature in a friendly manner so that we do not have faced the wrath or fury of nature. Then we cannot have to face this difficulty in this particular way. Okay, here brings the end of this particular poem. So in till half yearly exam we keep 1 to 6 lesson in first and second poem. Be prepared properly. Clear? In coming exam 1 to 6 lesson in first and second poem. Okay, prepare it properly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.